Hello everyone and welcome back to Web Development JS. If you are watching this video, I am assuming that you already have basic knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, such as how HTML tags work, how CSS styling is applied, and how JavaScript function and variables work. In this video, we are going to build a fully functional calculator web application from scratch, focusing on logic and implementation rather than basic theory. Since you already understand the fundamentals, we will directly jump into the practical part. In this project, you will learn how to structure a calculator layout using HTML, how to design a clean and modern UI using CSS Grid, how to handle user interactions using JavaScript, how real calculation logic works in the browser environment. So let's begin with the HTML structure. I am not going to explain basic tags like div, input, button because I am assuming you are already know that. Instead, focus on how calculator layout is logically divided into display and button sections. So let's start. So for this, first we will go to we will create a folder on our location where we want to save, and we will create a new folder like calculator. So once our folder is calculator is once our folder is created here, now we will select and open that folder. Okay, so what are the basic files we require? Because we are using angular sorry because we are using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So first I will create index.html where we write our HTML code. Next I am creating style.css where we write the styling code, and next we have is script.js where we write our JavaScript code. Okay, so first we will start with our HTML. So for HTML, first we have required doc type, then we have lang, after that we need head. Here we have already style sheet attached here with our head. So let's now we will change the title as JavaScript calculator. That's it. Now we will close our body. Now we will close our head and our body will start here. So as you can see, our HTML is ready. So let's see how it will looks like in the browser. So as of now you can see, because we didn't applied any CSS here, so UI will be look like this. Now we will add CSS, and I am adding a heading like JavaScript calculator, and once we reload the page we are able to see JavaScript calculator. Okay, so let's move to the next section, that is CSS. So here we are using default, so we will write some default script like with star. It will be applied in the complete, like we will create box sizing, which will be border box, and next we have font family. We will add font family to keep the font consistent. Correct. Next we have, that is the common CSS that we applied. Now we will add CSS to the body. Body and body we have side body, we have height. I am keeping it 100 VH, and I am keeping background as a I'm keeping background F7 F5 F5. So we have applied here. Now here we are using heading. So I am creating a class for this and giving name it as heading. Yes. And As you can see, once this will be changed, CSS will be applied automatically here, and we need to make it sensor aerial with sensor. Now we will write CSS for our heading. Let me see the class name is correct. That is heading. Correct. Now for the heading, we have margin top. We will keep margin top as 20 px, and our text color will be as 333. Correct. Now we will, for the calculator, so as I have this, now I will adjust this to according to our requirement. So here we have background. I will keep this to and we have padding. Padding will keep same as for auto suggestion. Border radius we have 12. We will keep it 12 px. As you can see, I am applying, and we will refresh. You will be able to see the changes. Okay, and we have width 300 px. Here display, here we will keep as a display. We will mark it as a flex, and we will keep flex direction as column. Okay guys, so once we will refresh, we will be able to see like this. Okay, now we will create the CSS for our output field where we show the calculations. Here we will keep width like 100%, width with 100%. We will keep height as 60 px. We will make font size as a 24 px. Font size will be 24 px. And our text align will be right, and we will keep margin bottom as 15 px. Here we will keep border. We will not use any kind of border. We will keep border as none, and padding is fine. Font is also fine. And Now border none, and we have like background that will be 333 for our calculator. Okay, and we have color as color as we will keep as a white color. Okay, so like if you will click here, so our text will be coming to the input field. Now we will write CSS for our button, where we have mark as a display, need to add property display as grid, and we will add grid template columns, repeat for word, and gap will be 10. Okay, this will be for buttons. Now we will write our double T, oh yeah, button height, that will be 50 px. Font size we will keep 18 px. Border we will keep none. Border radius we will keep 8 px. Background we will keep as a 4. That is fine for us. And cursor will be cursor will give it as a pointer. Color will be white, and we will add a little transition here. That will be 0.2 seconds. And we will save and we will refresh to see here. Now add CSS or button hover that we have. We will add edge 666 here. So like over to the button. Now we will add now we will write class for equal button where we will keep background color as blue, font color will be black. We will keep this as a black. Correct. And now we will write the CSS for our 0 dot 0 button. Here we will add grid colors 2 and let me refresh this one. Okay. So now we have class buttons and after that we have so let us see why our CSS is not applying correctly. Put items display that is disabled. We have buttons, we have class calculator. Okay, we have class buttons and then we have button. Okay, here we have added your added our script file as well. Okay, so first we have clear, then we have delete, and we have to add button that will be delete, cancel be there, delete will be there. After that we don't have any percent button. So here we will button and here we will add append to display. Here we will add percentage. Yes, okay, that will be fine. Here, control S. Now we will have slash. Now we will add that we are missing button. We will display here slash. Here we will add slash. And once we will refresh, this will be append value. Correct. So here append value, append value, append value, append value, append value, value, append value, on append value, append value. Okay, so we have first row is clear. Second we have 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, and 7, 8, 9, and after that we have a star. That is for the multiply. Then we have after the multiply we have 4, 5, 6, and then we have minus. Then we have minus. After that 1, 2, 3. Then we have plus. Plus. Here we will be plus. After that we have after that we have 0. After that we have 0. Where we have plus. Plus 0. And we have plus 0. Yeah, correct. So we have now our letter is correct. And here we are appending value 0 and 0 will be 0. Now on click we'll append this and final will be our class will be class equal, and here we are doing our calculation. Calculate. Okay, so we have basic calculator is created here, and now we will go to the style. We are missing something. We have display here. We have display. Display we have width 100%, 60 px, ground black, 24 px, text align right, the margin part of 15 px, ordered none, color white, that is right. Correct. Buttons, we have a class, and next we have button. That's correct. It is now okay. So now we have added to hover here. As you can see, our hover is working fine now. Now we have to modify the logic of our display because that is a ID. So we need to add it. So like a hash, and you will see now our display is also ready. Okay, so you can see our HTML CSS is ready. Now then we are using different functions. So first we will write the logic for our input, that ID is display. So here we will use let display equal to document dot get element by ID display. As you can see, that is coming on the desk. Now we will add our function append value that we are using for our value, and here we will update the display value using this function. Now we will write function clear display to clear out and make the display value blank. Next we will write function to delete last, and here you can see we are slicing the display value. For that we are using slice method. Now finally we will write the logic for our calculate function, where we will calculate the logic. And let's start try. Here we will write display dot will is eval. We will write catch here and close our function. So as you can see, we have handled all the logic. So as our code is completed, let's try to run this and now correct. So let's check why this is happening here. What is the issue here? Correct. On click. Okay. Append value is not defined. Okay. So here we have append value. Okay. And function name is append value. Correct. So here we will copy this and correct our function name. Correct. And let's try again. Reload this. Now I will click 2 plus 5 and we will click equal to 7. So as you can see, and now I will clear. Correct. Now I will add 1, 2, 5 and I want to delete, so it will be delete the last inserted value. Now I will click on add plus 9. Now I will clear. Now it is working as so. Here I would like to add one important best practice. Note that here we are using eval only for the learning purpose. In real production application, you should always avoid it and use secure calculation logic. If the project makes sense to you, you are definitely on the right path in the web development. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below. If you want an advanced calculator, a scientific calculator, or this project rebuilt with React or Angular. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button for upcoming videos.